why would my PPC ads generate traffic but still not produce sales? A few reasons for that is we want to understand what is happening on a listing level. So it can be either listing level. So when it comes down to listing level, we want to see clearly that your listing is eligible to advertise. Now you know clearly if the listing is eligible to advertise, it should be on the ad side level. Now, before I'm going into the ad side level, allow me to explain which are the things or the checklist that you would need to go through in order to see that your listing is eligible to advertise. First off, is the product itself eligible to advertise? There are certain categories on Amazon where you cannot advertise, right? So sexual wellness products, for example, is something that you cannot advertise on, and there are many more like that one. Knowing that is going to allow you, okay, so it's not the listing itself. One more thing, but what can cause listing ineligibility is if the listing gets suspended in any way, you cannot advertise. Another thing, if you're going to lose your buy box, meaning that basically you don't have any more buy box, so Amazon is not going to show the add to cart button. That's also a way how to not spend any more on ads, and it's not going to produce sales. So now that you understand on the listing side, allow me to also show some of the situations that it can be caused by advertising. When it comes down to advertising, it's really important to see not only that it's not producing sales, but do you have spend? Because if you don't even have spend, it means that people are not seeing your ads. We're not even looking at conversion. We're looking at, if I'm going to showcase someone my product, are they going to click on it? Because if they clicked on it, then I spent for the CPC that was the product. If it's a $1 CPC cost per click, at least I spent $1 on it. But if you don't have even impressions for the product, meaning that it's not even a blip on the screen, like people cannot see your ad, it means that you're bidding too low. No one is seeing your ad. Yes, you're advertising, the setup is correct, the listing is correct, campaigns are set up properly, but the bid is way too low for people to see the product, right? So those could be the two things that I would usually go through to understand what is causing or not producing sales.